Okay, here's Luna's babies. And they're too fast. I just took them out of their little nest. This is their nest. And there's 7. Oops. And they're just trying to find each other. They're 1 day old and no eyes open. And they have tiny ears. Little tail. Oops. And some have spots. So they'll be dark. They'll have dark spots. They love to cuddle. And here's Mama. She's checking out what we're doing. Hey, Luna. What's going on? What are we doing with your babies? What's going on? It's okay. They're okay. Okay. So, it's a little tiny one.